The three other ways on how you could apply strategic change in a company is through product differentiation, vertical integration, and horizontal integration. So when you say product differentiation from the term itself, you would need to introduce variation of your product, meanwhile making it very distinct. Okay, very distinct apart from its competition. Like for example, Coca-Cola. We all know what Coca-Cola does, which is it buys its competition. Its strategy is to just acquire and acquire beverage companies that has potentials and then rebrand them in under the umbrella of Coca-Cola. So it has products such as Minute Maid, drinks for performance like Powerade, so on and so forth. However, Coca-Cola maintains its distinctness apart from the brand Pepsi. So you see, regardless if they have expanded their product in such a wide um, plethora of offerings, they you can still determine or taste what Coca-Cola is, or there's a distinct signature when it comes to drinking a Coca-Cola made beverage. So that's product differentiation. We've tackled brand differentiation on another video. We also have what we call as vertical integration. So when you say vertical integration, it means bringing all the aspects of your business, such as manufacturing, software development, marketing efforts, and other parts of the business under one strict monitoring or one specific um, strategy, which is what you call as the vertical integration. A perfect example for that is Apple. So Apple monitors all the aspects of its business, like manufacturing and software development. In fact, Apple is very privy when it comes to its technology. It does not want to share with other brands, unlike Android, which you can adopt or use easily compatible with other devices. Apple only works with Apple products. You see, so they're very much strict when it comes to ensuring that their technology wouldn't leak to other people or to other companies. Their marketing efforts as well are strictly monitored by Apple. You know, there's a specific guidelines, standards that it needs to meet before it gets published. So those strategies has in fact worked for Apple, and you can see where Apple is now. It's still in the top of the game when it comes to technology, um, cell phone market or smartphone market. Apple is still there. Okay, and their secret is vertical integration. And then finally, we have what we call as horizontal integration. So when you say horizontal integration, strategy which involves merging or taking over other firms. Uh, our example earlier is Coca-Cola, which also uses horizontal integration. But for this example, we are showing Disney because Disney is very much notorious when it comes to horizontal integration. So you know what's the strategy of Disney, which is to just acquire and acquire properties, and you call that horizontal integration. It has purchased a lot of properties like Marvel Comics, Lucasfilm, Star Wars, Jim Henson Studios, National Geographic, Pixar, all to name a few. Okay. And this has been very lucrative for them as a business. They don't have physical products, or, well, we don't want to say they don't have, but their focus is the intangibles, which is the movies, the series, all the amount of content you can enjoy watching. And now they have this platform called Disney Plus, which is one of the biggest threats for Netflix. Okay. In fact, Disney Plus has been in a very strict competition with Netflix now, because Disney has been showing a lot of highly rated series, target for kids, for middle ages, so on and so forth. So, despite the loss of revenue in their parks business, you know, theme parks, cruise, etc., they were still able to recuperate it with the introduction of the Disney Plus streaming platform. And that wouldn't be possible without the horizontal integration, or acquiring properties which show potential. Locally, you can think of this as a Jollibee. Jollibee just acquires and acquires its competitors. So it has been a successful technique for them, right? So there you have it. These are some of the strategies that companies can use in order to implement strategic change in their business.